Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
At done
ma'am.
with letters? Did you do these business letters?
No, ma'am.
No. This is something new. Please see on the
Yes,
screen
ma'am.
what I shared. Read it once. I'm showing it to you. Then we'll practice. You are Amar Gulati of Jain High School. Students are going to go on a sports meet. So you need some sports equipment. So you're writing a letter to Kits and Kids. This is the name of the company. Kits and Kids, placing an order. This is how we write letters to place orders, business letters. Sender's address, date, receiver's address.
Good morning, ma'am.
Salutation, good morning, subject. Please see this format first, everybody. See what is shared on the screens. Just read one so that you get an idea as to how business letters are written. Then I'll make you practice. All of you just go through what is shared on the screen for 2-3 minutes.
Ma'am, read.
What is the first thing we've written on the left side? Which address is this?
Ma'am, we
Receiver
don't
Ma'am,
have
Ma'am, sender.
Sender.
Yes, it is
Sender.
sender's address. But you don't write it like this. You write it only in 2 lines. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You will write
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
You will write here Jain High School, Mathura, and then the pin code. That's all. No need to write Uttar Pradesh and all. Understood how to write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Just write,
ma'am.
just write the name of the school, and then after that, city, and then the pin code. That's all. Then the date. What is wrong in the date over here? Tell me.
Ma'am, they have to write 11th in
TH. Very
November.
yes. 11 and TH has to be written over here.
Yes, that's right.
And then there should be a comma after
Comma.
November.
Comma.
Okay, there should be a comma. Very good. After this, you will write the manager, Kids and Kids. No need to write the address, simply write the city and the PIN number. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Sure.
ma'am.
Everybody is okay?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then we move on to this one. Sir, dear sir, if you want to put a comma, put. If you don't want, don't put a comma. This comma is not compulsory. This is reference to a meeting on November so and so. We have gone through the catalog and would like to place an order. What is a catalog?
Ma'am, list of and ma'am availability of goods, ma'am.
Very good, very good. List of the items, the cost of the items, everything which is given in that, that is known as of catalog. So now they are ordering for these things. How many columns are there? If you see, there are 4 columns. How many are there?
And 4.
Very good. Then after this, serial number, item, product code, quantity. In place of product code, you can also write brand. If you know the brand, supposing football, basketball, Nivea. If you don't know the brand, you can write ABC, XYZ, anything. So you can either have product code or you can have brand over here. Now these are the
Okay.
conditions. Read the conditions. Kindly ensure that the items are not damaged. We would like to avail 20% discount. Agree during our meeting. I'm enclosing a check of rupees 2,000 as an advance payment. Items are urgently required. I hope you'll keep word of a delivery within 1 week. So the delivery is wanted with how much time?
1 week.
Yes, 1 week. Have you read this, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
First, all of you write this much and post. Sender's address, date, and receiver's address in the correct way. How many lines you will use for sender's address?
Ma'am, 2 lines.
2 lines.
Very good. 2 lines. Please start. Write sender's address, date, receiver's address. Till here you write and post on the group. I'll keep checking. Please start. Please put on the heading business letters and today's date. What is the heading that you will give?
Business letters.
Yes, business letters, and put today's date also in your work. This is a business letter for placing order. What are we doing in this business letter? Placing order.
Placing
Yes.
orders.
What are we placing an order for?
Miss Sports Goods.
So good.
Yes, we are placing an order for sports goods. What is the subject which is written?
I'm order for sports goods.
Yes, very good. Hurry up. Whoever finishes writing, tell that ma'am, I am done. I am posting on the group and post so that I can check. First, I need to ensure you know how to write sender's address, receiver's address, and date.
Ma'am, this is my letter writing.
Yes, beta, this is formal letter writing, business letter. Only write sender's address, receiver's address, and date.
Ma'am, I have posted.
Yes, beta, I was seeing this only. Very good. I'm just going through it. Others also, please hurry up.
Ma'am, can you show the question of the letter?
Just 1 second. First, let these children write so that they have to see now receiver's address, sender's address. Can you see it on your screens? First, try and write yourself this much part, beta. I'll show you the question also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Others first, let them do this part. I'm waiting for others. Hurry up.
Ma'am, it is necessary to write pin code.
Is it necessary to write what?
Ma'am, pin code.
Beta pin code we don't know, so we simply write 123 XXX. That's it. Because we cannot know the pin code of every city, so we'll simply write the name of the city and write 123
Ma'am,
XXX.
excuse me, ma'am, can we just change the state name and city name?
We don't write state. I just told you, we don't write the name of the state.
I mean,
Only city name has to be written. Only city name. You can change the name of the city, that's okay. But state is not to be written. Only pin has to be written. And for pin, you simply write 123 XXX.
Ma'am, I have posted.
Yes, Peter, those who are posting, I'm checking on the group. Those who have posted now can see salutation, first two lines and subject. Now please read and prepare and write. Salutation is this, dear sir, and then subject, and then the first two lines. This has to be prepared now. Hurry up, others. Those who have not posted this also. Hurry up, Peter, hurry up. Those who have posted the address, now will write dear sir, subject, and the first two lines in post.
Ma'am, posted.
Very good. Let me read what he has posted. I'm waiting for other students. Please hurry up. This is something new we've started today. Very good. Hurry up, others also. Let me read what he has posted. Very good. Well done. What about others?
Ma'am, please wait, I'm writing.
Yes, beta, please carry on. Kartikeya, now write next.
Okay,
Dear
ma'am.
sir, those two lines also. Continue, beta. Move on to the next one. Okay, Niharika has posted. Very good, Niharika. Niharika, you've not written the pin code. Write 123XXX. Very good. This is correct. Whose is this last one? Bhumika. Bhumika has posted. Very good, Bhumika. Correct. Ayush, write the pin code for Faridabad. 123XXX. Lakshya, very good. Excellent. All correct. Kavyansh, pin code is missing. Very good. Rest everything is correct. Kartikeya has already written the first two lines also, and Niharika has also written the first two lines. Very good. Others also right. Kartikeya and Niharika, continue. Hurry up, children. Kartikeya and Niharika, you can start picking the box now.
Ma'am, I have also posted.
Yes, beta, I'll go through it.
Ma'am, now, ma'am, what we have to do?
Beta, you make the table now. You make the table now.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have also posted.
Yes, beta, I'm going through it. Whatever is posted on the group, I'm checking one by one. Very good. In place of product code, you can also write brand.
Ma'am, we have to leave a line, ma'am, for making this box.
It would be better. It would look neat.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, should I make the box from the next page? There is not much space left.
It's okay, but be careful next time to start from a new page, okay? Abhita, you can make from the new page. It's absolutely okay. Start. In place of product code, you can also write brand.
Ma'am, posted.
Okay, let me check. Hurry up, others also. Be quick. See, some of your friends are so quick. We are ordering for sports equipment. The question can be anything. They can tell you to order books also, lab apparatus.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, posted.
Yes, beta. I'm reading what all you all are posting. Continue with your work quickly.
Ma'am, posted.
Fine. Continue. I am checking what all you have posted. Others, by the time others also post, let me check what they have posted. Very good, beta. How many columns have you made?
Four.
Very. So we have told them what all we want. Now we're going to discuss the terms and conditions. Okay. The next thing that we are going to discuss is terms and conditions. I'll just show you the, scroll down the screen and show you. Children, please conclude your paragraph, the letter, sorry. See the terms and conditions, payment, delivery, discount, discuss everything. Write quickly. Try and finish this today. See the spacing also, which line where we are finishing, where we are starting the new one.
Ma'am, I have posted.
But those who post on the group, I am constantly checking. You people continue and finish. Then you keep posting. Whatever is coming on the group, I am checking, Bichi. Please see what all things are included in the last lines. What all conclusions have to be done very carefully. Hurry up, beta, I'm waiting. Carefully write your name and designation also.
Ma'am, posted.
You finished the entire letter, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me check. Excellent, very good. What about others? Hurry up, beta, I'm waiting for others quickly.
Ma'am, posted.
Very good. Let me check yours also. Very nice, children.
Ma'am, I have also posted.
Yes, Vichya. Which kind of a letter is this?
Ma'am,
Business
business
letter.
letter.
In business letter also, what are we doing? We are cancelling order, placing order. What are we doing in this business?
Placing order. Placing an order.
Yes, we have placed an order for what?
Sports goods.
Very good. You placed an order for sports goods now. See now. There is a question over here. Just read the question. Then we'll discuss certain things. Just read the question as of now. Read the question, I'll ask you certain things.
Good, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just discuss with you few things. Let others also say them.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am,
Now you
done.
will write, yes children, now you will write the same thing and post. Sender's address, you can take any school. Receiver's address, acha, it's already given. Receiver's address is already given to you. And subject. Do till here and post. Let me see if you can. Yes, beta. Has anyone finished writing? Is anyone posting? Sender's address is given to you, no?
Yes, ma'am.
And who is the
Ma'am,
receiver?
only we got the
Receiver's address, है ना? Universal Lab Apparatus. If you don't know the name of the company or the brand, just write ABC, PQR, XYZ, something like this. 5 marks. This question comes in 5 marks in board exam. We will include it in half yearlies. Hurry, beta.
Ma'am, I have posted.
Okay, let me check. Good. Who else has finished? Hurry up. Very good. Hurry up.